Welcome back. Today we're going to work on a few home projects. One of which is these drawers right here. And then we're going to hit a few other ones as time arises. Anybody that has kids understands that things around the house get broken. I'm constantly repairing things around here, unfortunately. So I thought I'd share along on what I'm fixing and try to explain how I'm fixing it in case you guys have the same problem. We're going to start with this drawer here, which I'll be working on out in the garage. The kids broke the face off of it. I mean, it didn't just happen instantly. They did work it up a little bit before it finally snapped, but I'm going to replace it with a whole new drawer. And then after that, I'm going to go to this drawer right here, which just needs a few small nails put in it to kind of tighten it down so that it doesn't have the same problem this one does. So stand by, we're going to get started and I'll explain as we go along. All right, I've already measured where I want to put the back of the baseboard onto the new drawer. So let's get started. I'm going to put the back of the baseboard 1 1/8 inches inboard from each side of the board and 1/2 inch from the bottom. I've already drilled the pilot hole, which is 6 inches inset and 1 1/8 inches the center of the inside of the new box. All right. Perfect. All right, so the face is on, looks even. So let's take off the rollers, install it onto here. I'm gonna just reuse the parts that were already on this drawer, and they should match up perfectly with the rails on the inside of the cabinet. So, this can be thrown away, burned, whatever you want to do with it. So we're going to just install the tracks onto the new back, which is pretty self-explanatory. They line up with the front and the back of the track. So you can't really mess it up as long as you line the bottom. You'll see the bottom has like a little L groove on it. Line that up. Then you screw it in there. So we're gonna pre-drill 3 pilot holes on this side and 3 on the other. All right, now we're going to install the screws and we should be done. Before going in and seeing if the new drawer works, I went in the house and checked out some of the other drawers to make sure the bottoms were solid, and I found a couple that could use some reinforcement. So we're just going to take the nailer and go around some of the edges here where they're falling out and just hit them with a couple nails so that it'll hold a little more solid. We tend to overload our drawers, and that's not necessarily a good thing. All right, that one looks good. One more. Nice. Let's go inside and see if they fit. All right, drawer number one. Two. And the one I fixed. Drawer on the bottom needs some help. Quick update, I couldn't wait till another day to finish this project. I knew the roller was bad, so I had to go to the store and get it fixed. So I put a new roller on there, and now she's good as new.